Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SmartThings Find with compatible tracking tags, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate SmartThings Find with compatible tracking tags, begin by ensuring you have a compatible device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of the SmartThings app. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Log into your Samsung account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the option to add a new device. Look for the section labeled Others or Add Device. Choose SmartThings Find from the available options. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, activate the tracking tag you wish to use. Follow the specific instructions provided with the tracking tag for activation. Once activated, return to the SmartThings app. Select SmartThings Find from the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your compatible tracking tags. Tap on the tag to view its location on the map. If needed, enable location services on your device for accurate tracking. Set up notifications to receive alerts if an item is out of range. You can customize the settings to suit your needs. To locate a lost item, simply tap on the tracking tag in the app. It will display its last known location. Use the map to navigate to the item's location. If the item is nearby, you can play a sound to help find it. Ensure your device stays connected to the internet for real-time updates. Now you're ready to use SmartThings Find with your tracking tags effectively. With these steps, you'll be able to keep track of your important items effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.